all the number of first decide number of classes that we want to teach. So for example, for spot we come up with list of topics, and then coming up with list of topics, but breaking out into number of classes. So for each class, plan for 1 hour, but it will go for 1.5 to 2 hours. But plan your course so that you teach every day, or every class is for 1 hour, and alternate days, or whatever your schedule fits. Right. So 18 to 20 classes. That's what I'm thinking. If it is more, that's fine. But plan for only 1 hour for each class, and then break it down your topics to classes, and then you will come up with number of classes. Right?
Okay.
For each class, you prepare pages. You go to page, and then first you will have an introduction, probably a demo page. Introduction also will have you will have a demo PowerPoint. Within Canvas, you can upload within files. You can upload your demo, whatever PPTs you have, and from pages, you can, when you click on edit, you can drag and you can provide links to those.
So pages are like days, right? Number of days, number of pages, right?
No, each class is a page.
Okay, got it. Each class is a page, and each page I can upload some files, and I can add some.
Think of files as separate, and then you can link any file you want within pages.
Oh, got it. Okay. And about assignments?
Yeah, next step I'll go there. So you will start with introduction, what you want to cover within each page. So each class is a page at the high level. So your page title will be your class title, and then within that, go into more granular level and see what you want to cover within that class and list out them here. So after every class, I'll upload the recording link here, and then in the first demo page, you will provide the link for your meeting. If you are using GoToMeeting or any meeting or WebEx, whatever, we will provide the meeting URL here, which will be the same for all the classes. And after each class recording, for that page, we will upload the recording link here. And then any material that you are referring to in that class, you will upload in the file, and then you will provide a link for that here. Right, so end of the class, when the consultant comes in, he has all the information. Right, he has the recording for this class, and then what is the PowerPoint that we went through in the class. Right, during the class or after the class and before next class, before assignments is a little complex, so I'll go there at the end. So for each class, during the training session or after the training session, you will get a lot of questions from the students. So those will go into discussions.
Okay.
Right, so students will raise questions, and then everyone, depending upon your notification setting, you can set your settings and notifications. You can set it up with your phone or email, whatever it is.
Okay, cool.
Okay, ASAP, or at the end of the day, you want to get some notifications. If you want ASAP, you can click ASAP. So I have some of them on my cell phone number, so I get text messages. So they open a discussion, and then you will get a notification, and you can answer within the discussion. And what I do is, normally you will be the better person to judge which page or which class that question belongs to.
Okay.
If it is during the demo session in class, while training itself, you create a discussion. Creating discussion it's not a big deal. So you create a discussion, and then you go to page, edit page, and then similarly you will see discussions here. You can assign this discussion to this page. So if it is during training session, you will keep this page open, and then you will start everyday class. You will start from Canvas. If you have a PowerPoint presentation for each class, you would have probably uploaded that already. So you'll open that from Canvas, and any questions they ask, you keep on creating discussions in training sessions, and then you will add it to this page. And if it is after the training session, if consultants create some discussions, you will randomly go later, and then while answering those discussions, you will decide which page this discussion belongs to, and then you will link that discussion to the page. Like if you go to page, edit, click on edit page, and then if this discussion belongs here, then just click enter and then say like this.
Okay, I can drag and drop the discussions. Okay.
It's just it will give you an arrow. You can just click here.
Okay.
So this way, what we're saying is we're consolidating into each class, and each class you will have the recording and the questions from the consultants.
Okay, got it.
So they don't have to go to multiple pages. So pages will be the single point of source where they can get information regarding the class. So once this is done, next thing is you will set assignments. You plan as such, like for each class you will have assignments. Okay, you don't have to tie them to pages so far. You just create assignments. Right. So when you create, first you go ahead and create your list of assignments, whatever you have from yours, whatever notes you have as of today. Go ahead and create all the assignments. And once you create pages, and then later on you try to correlate them. You can click on it, and same thing, you can assign assignments here.
Okay.
Okay. And then students will get a different view. I'm currently logged in as a teacher, so I'm seeing this. If I log in as a student, they'll get additional options of submit assignment. Once they submit, you'll get a notification, and then you can grade that assignment. Okay. So you create pages separately, you upload all your files separately, you create your assignments separately, and then you go back to your pages and link your assignments and files to each page as appropriately.
Alright, okay, got it.
Okay. The next thing is syllabus. Syllabus is when we have a batch ready, we say, okay, today we are going to start. Then you will start creating your schedule. You can go to calendar and you can create schedule. But this is once the batch starts, we can do one day before the batch starts. Probably during the demo session, we will get the availability from each consultant, also from you. We will decide during the demo session. And at that point of time, in the class itself, we'll create the schedule.
Right, okay.
And the next thing is, it has conferences, but we will use GoToMeeting or anything, but Canvas does have conferences. Where we meet online, and those links will be automatically uploaded here. But I think it's not working properly, so we're not using this anyhow. So I'll remove this option. You can go to, as a teacher, I think you also have this option.
Okay.
And there is a modules. Modules is where you group. I mean, you separated your pages as per classes, but you can say the main topics, right? So this week we are covering this main topic: Salesforce administration or Salesforce infrastructure development. Or within development, there are some key topics at the high level which combines set of classes.
Okay.
Right? So you can create modules as such.
Got it. Like administration, development.
And then you can combine those. I don't know how it's done. Okay, so see here, assignment to administration. Yes, these things. Yeah. So filtering. What is this? So he has. See, you can add assignments, add assignment to filtering, or add file, add page. You can group these contents into a module.
Okay.
Which belongs to a major category. Yeah. And then let me go to add module. So the advantage with module is you're grouping your classes, and then you can add some prerequisites to it. So lock module until students must move through requirements in this module in sequential order. So what you can say is these are the key functionalities. Without completing this, you cannot go further. You can set those rules here. They must complete this module. So prerequisites of this new module I'm creating is they have to complete this module. And you can create this. So I think the starting step is you break down your topics to classes, and then for each class create a page, and then plan accordingly that each page will have an assignment. And then there is a concept of quiz as well, where you can create some set of questions. Each one of us individually, and then later on link together. Right. You can create a quiz, and then you can provide some questions where it can be an yes or no checkbox or some text fields from the students. Probably what I encourage is before each class you take a quiz. So typically a class should start with a quiz. Plan quiz for 5 minutes, not more than 5 minutes. They should, and after 5 minutes you're just going to stop it, and you can grade the quiz immediately in 5 minutes.
Okay.
Right? So 5 minutes quiz from the previous class, and the rest of the class for 50 minutes, and the last 10 minutes or 5 minutes you will explain the assignment for the next class.
Okay.
Okay, so before coming to next class, students should submit their assignments so that you get a notification, and then you can grade it before class, or you can grade it at the end of the class, whenever you get time. Right, so at the end of the training, what I'll be looking, or at the weekly basis, what I'll be looking is the grades, who are doing good, who are not doing good. So the grade, basically the way you grade, will give us proper idea of where the student stands.
Yeah, exactly. Okay. Yeah.
Right, it's a little difficult. I'm not expecting everything to be perfect for a first batch. At least first batch, what I'm expecting is we have the pages, we have assignments, and we have the each class we have a PowerPoint or something which you are presenting, if you're planning on presenting. So each of those link to pages, and as we go, we'll try to create quiz, and it doesn't work sometimes, so we'll skip it. But slowly we'll get matured when we go on with multiple.
Cool. Okay. Yeah.
You can see yourself, like once it is set up for the next batch, you don't have to do anything with pages. Then you can concentrate on quizzes, and then the third batch you will concentrate more on adding more assignments. So you will get matured as we keep on using this tool.
Okay. Exactly. Yeah.
Okay, and you can, if you see a quiz, right, you give an option and then you can provide an answer and let them see it at the later point, instead of you going back and answering them.
Right.
You can provide a time. So today, if they are taking schedule, you can say show them this answer on day, 1 day after. So there's a lot of options.
So it automatically grades, right? Automatically grades with by comparing with the correct answers, right?
Yes. So when they log in with the student login. So currently, if you see people, there should be people somewhere. Yeah, people. So currently, I have Avinash as. Oh, this is Spotfire. Okay, let's go to Salesforce. I think Salesforce. Currently, it's not published. So whatever changes you do, it will be between us. So I have myself as teacher. You as teacher. It's still showing pending. I don't know why. Did you accept the invite?
Yeah, actually invited. I joined with the same email address.
Yeah, you did, right? So, why is it?
So I have even created some training.
Maybe I need to log out and log in. 1 second.
Okay. Yeah.
Venkat, Vivek is talking about the other email you received. Once you click on the link, it will ask you if you want to accept or reject.
Okay. So I clicked on the link, so it opened a file. It opened the site, and I just.
Let me see. I'm sending you invitation again. Can you close? Last request didn't work out. Why didn't it work out? Okay. I'm sending you. Let me know if you get email again.
Okay. Right. I'm checking it, and email. So I already created the account with the same email address. So will it affect?
It should not. I think you should go through invite, or else I can. Let me see what I can do here.
Or you can directly. Okay, I'm there. 1 second. So what happened earlier when you sent the link, I created the account. So I think it may not allow now. Second time. Yeah, I got one more link. Okay, I must link again. So I'm clicking on this. So we need to keep the company name as Calibral.
Yes, Venkat. Yeah.
Yeah, so that it will automatically link there. Okay, 1 second.
Let me see. What is it asking? What is it asking?
Second time I'm clicking, right, it's asking it appears that you don't have permission to access this page. Please make sure you have authorized it to view. Right?
There is a code number if you see my screen. Maybe ask for the code.
8655.
No, this is the code. This is the code. Let me give you this link. Yeah, let me send this link.
Okay.
I'm sending you in Google GoToMeeting chat.
Okay, right, I will check it. So currently, looking on profile. I'm copying the URL. There is option to enroll in the course. Can I enroll?
Yes.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, I enrolled it. Yeah, I think you can see it now. I enrolled.
Okay, let me check now. People.
So,
okay, let me read this. Oh, you enrolled as a student. Okay, let me do one thing.
Okay. So there is only one option for me to enroll. So I just clicked on it.
I'm going to delete you again and send you invitation again. 1 second.
Because when you send for the first time, right, I already create the account with the same username. If you are sending again, I think it won't work. I will try to map from my side.
I think I sent it wrong first time. I'm sending you and then you share your screen. Let's go through the process.
Okay.
Can you share your screen? Take control and share this.
Yeah.
Okay, log out. Click on log out here.
Clicking on log out.
And close all the canvas. You have to log out first.
Yeah, I have logged out.
From all I think you have multiple screens open for the canvas.
Yeah, so, yeah, now I'm here.
Open the latest email. Okay.
This is the latest email, right? New canvas link?
No, the latest one. Notifications one.
Oh, this is the course invitation? Okay. I'm this, okay?
Yes.
Yeah, so do you need to click on to create canvas account?
Now, did you create your email already, right? You created.
Yeah, I already created the things, yeah. Can I enter?
Yeah, your email ID, yes. No, venkat.cerebral@gmail.
C-A-L-E-B-R-A-L.
No, C-E-R-E-B-R-A-L, cerebral.
1 second, I will copy from here. Oh, okay.
You can click on remember password.
Yeah, I just use the same common password.
This is what. Cool.
So, say don't know your password.
One second, I will try one more time. Just now I just need to.
Oh.
Okay, I can do it. So I think there's some problem with my Mac battery, so it's turning off in like couple of.
Okay.
So what I will do, I will try to fix this, and I will connect. I will see the courses, and I will update you on email. Okay.
Okay. Now let's while it's going off, let's try. I just want to make sure you get in, so that at least we went through the pages and all the concepts, so you can take that offline.
Right, I can do it. Okay.
Let's see if you're able to get in. Otherwise, we'll have to.
Yeah, I'm getting in now. I'm getting in. With the starting will be very low. That's the reason it's very low now.
That's fine, that's fine. I think you have to click on remember password or something. It's not going forward.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, accept. Here. Perfect. Now I think.
Okay.
I'm having access now. So,
if you have questions, same group, you can use the same group to share it, so that you can help you out there.
sure, I can do it. So I think it's really easy to use this tool. So I will try to create the course content. Okay.
Okay.
Right. And thanks for that. So yeah, got it. I think we don't click on courses. Salesforce. Yeah, then yeah, I will do it. Okay.
Okay. Just to iterate, pages start with you are defining in classes pages.
Yeah.
Assignments, and then you start linking every your page.
Okay. And I don't see the pages option enabled now. Further, do you need to click on publish?
No. You can click on it. It's enabled. Click on it. Click on pages. Even though it shows, it's not.
Oh, okay. Right, got it. I can do it. Vic, thanks for the call.
Thanks,
Thanks, Avinash. I'll call you back. Okay.
We'll meet again, and if you have questions, we can always meet in a meeting.
Sure. Perfect.
All right. Thank you, guys. Bye.
Thanks.